Greetings RC fans, Sharky here and welcome back to E.A.S.T. Welcome back to another Optimus Blue video. I think this will be Optimus Blue episode 22 maybe. So we got the charity format comp course today, which I'm going to do in. Soon going to film for me. But before we get into the main part of the video, don't forget to do the usual things like, comment and subscribe. Reverse.
Yep.
Reverse. Gate.
That's okay, everyone else has rolled it.
I'm probably going to have another go in a minute because, you know, 2 runs because that's like a normal comp day.
Nicely done.
Reverse.
Well driven.
Where's the next one?
Up in front of Jackie. So if you need to reposition yourself, I'll stop the clock. Yeah. Tempting bonus one. Yep.
Roll over towards me.
Yep.
Didn't quite work, but
It nearly came back up, didn't it?
yeah. Okay.
Oh, we did it.
Right, try bonus 1, bonus 2 now.
Yeah, okay.
What's my time?
4 minutes 50 gone. Just about a minute left.
Reverse. Reverse again. Did you set this course or did Mr. Brasted?
We both set it. I take it you're going to be less than complimentary about it.
It's tough.
20 seconds.
So that's the first run done. Time of 5 minutes 59. Progress is not been marked down. Oh, gate progress, bonus progress. I did one of the bonuses. I didn't do the second bonus, and I seem to be missing 2 tallies for getting through the gates. But I'm sure that will get sorted out in a minute when I speak to Paul Warren. I got 7 reverses, 1 rollover, and hit gate straddled on 3 of them. But you still get progress for going through it, don't you?
Yeah.
So that's it for run 1. I'll come back after run 2. Okay. 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 It's all right, checking, don't worry. Reverse.
Nicely done. You're on for 6 as well. Ooh, careful.
Reverse.
Nice. bonus. 3 minutes left. So.
Yeah, I'm going to try not to flip it this time. Right, I'm going to not go for bonus 2 again.
Yep, that sounds like a good plan.
The trouble I had with the tank last time.
2 minutes left. Okay.
Straddle it.
Yep.
Done.
There was one at
Right, that's my second run. It wasn't as good as my first. It was 28 points on the second one, 17 on the first. Faster, hit more gates, but the tyres are absolutely caked in mud. A lot of good fun, a difficult course, which is good because it means people have more goes. Maybe tomorrow it's a bit dry, we might have another go. Right, so I didn't think that first run was as great as it was, but it turns out, of all the scores that have been handed to me so far, I am P1 in Class 2 on Saturday on plus 17 with a time of 5 minutes 59. That's Optimus Blue. Back out here after running Optimus Blue over thing, and it's a bit dirty, so I have this backpack or garden sprayer that I picked up from Aldi, and one of these air blowers that Tomley RC put us onto. If you want to check out his videos, there's a link in that for where to get one from. So I'm going to clean this off and I'll give you the overview once it's clean. Right, that's it all done. Used about half my tank of water, but I've got it all nice and clean, and blowed it off with the blower. Thanks very much for watching. We'll catch you all again next time.